Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to upload your own design on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Evite account, and you will see a section here. After logging in, upload your own, which means you can upload either your own design or your own photo. You can click on the design area and it should bring you to a page where you'll be able to upload your actual design. So you can click on upload new design. You can choose whatever designs you've made in the past, and then you can also preview it with your own particular photo. This your design is okay. Let's just choose one. As you can see, they are mostly premium invitations, so you can just select any of them and upload or edit them to your choice or your taste. Okay, so from here we can just preview with my photo. So here you can select any photo of choice. I've made a photo on this, so select it and it would attach that particular photo to good to the invitations, and you can edit them from there. So from here we can see the pictures have been attached, and then I can just proceed to edit any of these and make it perfect. So this is how to upload your own design or picture on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.